Exploring other wax options. In our previous lesson, we explored the fascinating world of natural waxes like soy, beeswax, and coconut. Today, we'll expand our exploration and discover some additional wax options, including both natural and petroleum-based choices. Understanding the properties of each wax will further empower you to select the perfect fit for your unique candle creations. Palm wax, a sustainable choice with considerations. Palm wax, extracted from the oil of palm fruits, is a natural wax gaining popularity. Let's explore its pros and cons. Renewable resource, like soy and coconut wax, palm wax is derived from a renewable source, making it an eco-friendly option. Clean burning, palm wax generally burns cleanly, releasing minimal soot. Affordable, compared to some natural waxes, palm wax can be a more budget-friendly choice. Sustainability concerns. While palm wax offers advantages, there are significant sustainability concerns surrounding its production. Excessive palm oil harvesting can contribute to deforestation and endanger wildlife habitats. Choosing palm wax from certified sustainable sources is crucial to minimize environmental impact. Gel wax, the translucent beauty. Gel wax, a petroleum-based option, stands out for its unique aesthetic qualities. Translucent appearance, gel wax creates a beautiful, jelly-like appearance, perfect for decorative candles with embedded objects or colored layers. Excellent fragrance throw, similar to coconut wax, gel wax excels at holding and releasing fragrance oil, creating potent scents. Clean burning, gel wax generally burns cleanly, making it a good choice for those concerned about air quality. Things to consider with gel wax. Limited availability. Finding high-quality gel wax might require sourcing from specific candle-making suppliers. Heat sensitivity, gel wax can soften or melt at higher temperatures. Be mindful of this when crafting candles for warm environments. Not ideal for all candle types, due to its consistency, gel wax might not be suitable for traditional container candles or pillar candles. It's best suited for decorative votives or tea lights. Blended waxes, combining strengths for customization. The beauty of candle making lies in its creative freedom. Blended waxes allow you to combine the strengths of different wax types to achieve specific results. Here are some popular blends. Soy and beeswax blend, this combination offers a good balance between burn time, fragrance throw, and natural appeal. Soy wax contributes to longer burn time, while beeswax enhances fragrance and adds a touch of luxury. Coconut and paraffin wax blend. This blend leverages the excellent fragrance throw of coconut wax with the firmer structure and affordability of paraffin wax. It's important to choose a high-quality paraffin wax for clean burning. Soy and palm wax blend. This combination provides a clean burning, eco-friendly option with decent burn time and good fragrance throw. However, ensure your palm wax is from a certified sustainable source. Experimentation is key. Don't be afraid to experiment with different wax blends. Start with small batches and observe how the burning characteristics, fragrance throw, and adhesion are affected. This allows you to personalize your candles and achieve the perfect results for your vision. This lesson offered a glimpse into additional wax options like palm wax, gel wax, and blended waxes. Remember, the ideal wax selection hinges on your specific candle making goals. Here are some additional factors to consider beyond the options covered today. Candle type. Different candle types, container, pillar, votive, tea light, may require specific wax properties for optimal performance. Desired visual effects. For opaque candles, soy or coconut wax work well. For a translucent look, consider gel wax. Budget. Soy wax is generally affordable, while beeswax and gel wax might be more expensive. Consider your budget constraints when choosing a wax. The takeaway. By understanding the properties of different waxes and exploring blending options, you've gained valuable knowledge to make informed decisions for your candle making journey. Remember, experimentation is key to discovering the perfect wax for your unique creations. Stay tuned for the next lesson.